end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more. I did it my way. Regrets, oh, I've had many of those. But then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step on my way, and much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. Oh, I've loved, I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, share of losing. Now, you subside, find it all so amusing to think I did all that. But may I say, not in a shy way, oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not